The present day witnesses a technological boom which determines many changes at all the levels of human knowledge and being. Trading has not been left untouched. Everybody trades in one way or another. It has become a must for survival. You can cope with modern world only if you are open-minded, efficient and hardworking. People trade all sorts of things, sometimes not even realizing they are actually involved in such an activity. The best example is Forex trading. Individuals often trade currencies, although they don't think of it as such. If they were aware, they would know that they can make serious money of it. And it has become so accessible. What used to be the exclusivist area of corporations is now at hand for almost everyone, especially with the increasing use of the internet. All over the world people trade online. They may as well Forex trade online, no matter whether rich or not, provided that they are connected to the internet. This kind of business requires quite simple things, such as a secured system which is used to produce signals. These automatically generated signals can provide you with the so long wished for opportunity to hit the currency market. You can get them from any kind of media, be it television, newspapers, internet forums. However, there is a risk that the signals you get are sometimes distorted. To avoid it, you must be able to choose balanced, unprejudiced automatic signals. To get these signals, it is vital for you to have the right system, that particular software which was conceived for the purpose of Forex trading. You can find many systems on the internet. As you can expect it, they are not for free, but you can try the trial version. Here you have reached the most important step. You must be absolutely sure you have selected the best system before buying it. You need to be aware of the fact that there are people who will try to persuade you into buying their software, a system which will not work for a single second. It is advisable that you make your selection from that list of systems which have been on the market for some years, which have established a reputation in this industry. You can get an idea of these systems by simply doing some internet research or getting involved into online discussions. Now that you have got the system, you can proceed to the next step, that of subscribing for automatic alerts regarding Forex trading. You are ready now to receive alerts and get into business. These automatic signals alert you on the entrance and exit value for the main currencies. You know in real time where the euro stands to the US dollar, so you can trade accordingly all day, the entire week. Whenever there is a change for trading, you receive an alert. It can be sent either to your email or to your cell phone. These alerts really help you to make the wisest decision regarding your Forex trading. For more exciting videos, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching You Trade Forex channel.